This video is for the baritone saxophone song Dirty Bird. Unfortunately, I do not have a baritone saxophone here at home. And so I'm going to demonstrate it on the alto saxophone, which is the same pitch. Except for, well, actually it's an octave, it's higher, but we're still going to get the same effect. You play the same fingerings and what I do on the alto saxophone, and you'll get the same results. Now, I'm noticing that this is written sort of high for baritone sax. You have the option to try to play it low also. It's up to you. It would sound better to me lower. So I'll demonstrate both for you. Okay, so you're going to start off with D's. D, D. So same bass line, same as the bass line is playing. Boodum, boodum, boodum. Ba-dum, ba-boodle-la, boodum, bo-da-dum, ba-doodum, ba-dum, boom, bo-boom, bo-dum, and that repeats itself all the way through the whole song. Okay, so your notes are D, 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 F, 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 G, G, and here's a chromatic walk. F, G sharp, A, and it's like a blues. It's a blues scale. G sharp, A, C, back to G sharp, G, F, D, D. Actually singing it the wrong pitch, but anyway. It's kind of high for me. So that's, and then you go to the F, F, and C sharp, C natural again twice. A, and back to the C, C sharp, and then D, D again. So here we go again, D, 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 F, 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 G, G, G sharp, A, C, and then reverse, C sharp, C sharp, C, G sharp, G, F, and then, okay, don't take your fingers off the keys, I'm just showing you. Okay, so G sharp, lift that pinky, G, and then F. And then back to your D, 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 F, F. You see, C natural. A, and then your chromatic walk. C, C, C sharp, D. That's the whole entire piece. Now you have the option of not playing the octave key and playing it low. Low C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the low pinky gives you low C. Only problem here is you'll have to try to play the low A, which you do have on your baritone saxophone. I don't have a low A on alto saxophone. So that's your octave key that's below. You have octave key above your thumb, and then you have a key below. That would be every key plus that key. It'd be kind of difficult to hit it, so they probably gave you the upper register for that reason. But you could skip that note. You could go, and then instead of going ba, A, C, C, just go C, C, C sharp, D, D. So in other words, you go. So you can play the C, C. C sharp is not the A flat key or the G sharp key. You're going to play this bachelor key right here, this key beside it. G, C. This key. Now lift both pinkies. Both pinkies. So there's your low walking C, C, D sharp, C, yeah, C, C, C sharp, C sharp, D, D. So you could do it that way. And if I keep going, if you're going to play it the other way, ah. Ending. That's the ending. Now you see the dots over the notes, and then you see the little sideways V. That's an accent. So the dot is short, the accent is accented. That means emphasized. So ba 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 da. So I'm going to play the last set of eighth notes. See? Okay? Go have fun. Practice.